Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to simplify the following expression. What we have here is what we call an algebraic fraction. Normally, when you are solving such fractions, the first thing we need to look at are the denominators. In this particular case, we cannot go further, or we cannot solve the denominators further without first simplifying this quadratic expression. X squared minus 1. This one resonates with a principle of quadratic we call a difference of two squares, written as a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Therefore, x squared minus 1 is the same as x plus 1, x minus 1. In this particular case, we write this expression as x 3x squared minus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1, subtract 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. A closer look at this reveals that this is the least common denominator or multiple, therefore becomes our LCM. You have x plus 1, x minus 1. So what we basically do, we divide this expression here with this particular one here. So when you divide, they'll cancel out. As you can see, you'll be left with 1. 1 you multiply with this particular numerator. Therefore, nothing will change because you are multiplying everything by positive 1. So you'll still have 3x squared minus 1 minus this one. You divide it with this one, and this one will cancel. Therefore, you introduce a square bracket and you have 2x plus 1 multiply by this one, because this one and this one cancelled out. You'll have x minus 1. Therefore, the next task is to expand these particular factors. You'll have 2x plus 1 into brackets x minus 1. Expanding 2x plus 1 x minus 1. So when you expand this one with this one, you'll have 2x squared, this one and that one, minus 2x, this one and this one, plus x, and this one and that one, you'll have negative 1. So simplifying further, you'll have 2x squared minus x minus 1. Rewrite it in this particular expression here. So you have 3x squared minus 1 minus, remember it's a square bracket, 2x squared minus x minus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1. You expand, you remove the square bracket by multiplying by negative 1. You multiply everything in the square bracket, so you'll have 3x squared minus 1 minus 2x squared this one and this one, this one and this one, you'll get positive x. This one and this one, you'll get positive 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1. Therefore, you simplify by picking like terms, this one and this one, you'll get x squared. This one and that one will cancel out, plus x over x plus 1, x minus 1. So you simplify this one. Further, you'll factor out x because it's common, x plus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1. This one is common, so the simplified version of this algebraic expression is x over x minus 1 as the solution. Thank you for following through. If you found this helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, or else you can comment. Let us know any other better way of solving this problem. We'll be glad to hear from you. Otherwise, thank you so much. See you in the next session.